Infiniti Hoffman Estates. My name is Joel Gappa. I'd like to speak with you today about our full-size SUV, the Infiniti Qx80. Tremendous vehicle. Many people are looking at full-size SUVs, and when it comes time to compare them up against Lincoln Navigator, the Toyota Sequoia, Mercedes-Benz GLS, several of these brands, our customers do need to take a look, visit the dealership, and see what we can offer. This is a 5.6 liter V8 motor with 400 horsepower. We purchased these vehicles in the all-wheel drive version. And this is the Premium Select. We offer the Luxe, the Premium Select, and the Sensory model. And if you can come this way, I'd like to show you a few nice things. 22-inch rims with a dark cast wheel. All the safety items you can name are on these vehicles. Lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, Sonar systems watching cars, not just the first car in front of us. Infiniti actually is the only company in the world that will watch two cars in front of us. Backup collision intervention. This is real leather. We offer Bose sound systems. We have a great feature for people worried about the size of a full-size SUV. We have a smart rear view mirror, which is a live camera feed out the back of the car. So when you have a full load of passengers, you don't have to worry about looking over your right shoulder as you're backing up. We get to look directly out the back of the car through this camera system. Speaking of cameras, Infiniti was the first company in the world to put a camera on the back of a vehicle in 2001. Infiniti was the first company in the world to put 4 cameras on a vehicle in 2008. So we have a nose camera, cameras underneath the mirrors, and camera on the tailgate. 4 altogether. It's wonderful. I'm 6'2", 220 pounds. I can easily sit in any of the 3 rows. Getting to the 3rd row is as easy as just pulling the lever. The seats collapse, and your passengers can go directly to the back of the vehicle. As far as interior space, when all the seats are folded down, we have 95 cubic feet of space inside this vehicle. So what a tremendous opportunity for a customer to own or lease this vehicle. We offer 3 years of prepaid maintenance. The other luxury makes do not. We offer a 4-year 60 bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 6-year 70,000-mile engine and transmission warranty. For the customers that live 1 hour from our dealership, we offer a mobile servicing that nobody else in the state of Illinois will offer. So with that, we'd like to have you out by an appointment to test drive new or pre-owned Infiniti Qx80s. And we're now going to turn over the conversation to our executive manager, Bill O'Hare, who's going to speak with us about some of the programs.
Hi, how you doing? So Infiniti has pulled out all the stops for the month of March. They have incredible deals on the Qx80. These are 2024 models. Both of these vehicles, if you come with me, both of these vehicles, the MSRP is $85,205. They're both identical. One is black, one is white. I just want to tell you about the incredible deals that Infiniti has put out for the month of March, and you don't want to miss this. So you can save $14,000 off the 2024 Qx80. It's an awesome vehicle. That'll put you at $71,205 for a 2024 brand new Qx80. And even what I believe is the best way to go, you can lease this vehicle for $698 a month, which is an incredible low payment for the kind of vehicle that it is at $85,000. Leasing is one of the smartest things you can do. Come to Infiniti of Hoffman Estates so we can break it down for you. Hurry before they're all gone.